So in this video, you'll learn how to install Apple Music on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Play Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Apple Music. Once you see it listed in the search results, you want to tap on it and then select Install and wait for Apple Music to be installed onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on Open to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen, locate the Apple Music app, and launch it from there. From here, you'll be told Welcome to Apple Music, tap on Continue, and then you'll be prompted to sign in. And then once you've signed in, you can now start using Apple Music on your Galaxy A16. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.